What's going on, guys? Sir Lewis here with the video of the year. You don't want to miss this because this is the best exchange, in my opinion, to leverage trade crypto this bull market heading into altcoin season. And there's a big reason for that. Don't be afraid of leverage trading because during altcoin season, you can have a 2x, a 3x, and you can make a ton of money. It's all about risk management. But I'm going to be talking about this exchange. It's my go-to exchange for leverage trading here. We'll take a look at it. But if you use my link in the pinned comment, you'll get a huge bonus, which you'll get 10% deposit bonus, as you can see right there. 10% deposit bonus. Or, right, if you don't click the link, you can just put in the code here, Sir Lewis. If you click the link, it'll put the code Sir Lewis automatically. But just use the code Sir Lewis, lowercase. I think it doesn't matter, lowercase or uppercase. But Sir Lewis, or you could just click the link and you get 10% deposit bonus up to 500 over 500. And the amazing thing is that the reward is 10K, the max reward. So you can put up 10K, you can put 100K, and you'll get 10K, which is the max reward. So you can still get a lot of money depending on how much you deposit. So take advantage of that. The big reason too, because from that money that you get for the deposit bonus, you can use that for fees, which the fees here are very low already, but that can be taken into your fees. That can be taken into not getting liquidated on a trade, right? So it's definitely a huge bonus. Another reason why this is the best exchange is that along with that bonus, you have the beginner bonus, right? So this is the bonus here for new users, along with the 10K, up to 10K max reward that you get with my referral, right? You get the $5 here, first copy trade, first spot trade, $5 USDT. If you invite your friend, you get 20%, 25%, $10 registration right there. So, I mean, there's a lot of things here that you can add up here if you're a beginner here, just from these small rewards. And then the other thing too is that their campaigns, they're always having these campaigns. You can see right here, right? The previous campaigns, but they're always having these campaigns. You just go right here to the campaign page. And by the way, they have an app, and the app is super user friendly. It's also on the app. So you just go to the campaign right here, click participate, it'll take you to right here. This is the latest one. And this is another way to get basically free money to trade on here. So you register now, and basically right here, feature trading. So when you trade these coins, either you buy them on spot or you trade them on futures, right? You'll be getting, based on your cumulative trading volume, $5, 10, 25, 50, or 100. And this adds up, right? If you're a freaking trader, you don't have to have a ton of money to get this trading volume. As long as you're a trader, you're gonna be adding that up, and you can get up to $100, which is pretty good. And again, this is not a one-time thing. This is always happening with BTCC. And regarding BTCC, if you guys don't know about BTCC, they've actually been here since 14 years, which is surprising, since 2011. They've never had any hacks or any big things like that. They also have proof of reserves. And the other amazing thing is that they're KYC free and VPN free. So that's a big thing for people in the US. I'm pretty sure you're watching this, you're in the US or maybe the UK, but you don't need to do KYC. And if you're in the US, you don't need a VPN. So amazing news here regarding BTCC. Because there's a lot of exchanges out there that you do need a VPN, right? Like KuCoin, BitGet, some other exchanges like that, but you don't need for BTCC. Now moving here to the leverage page here, you can see it's very user friendly. It's even more on the phone, okay, when you actually look at it. But here we got the amount of leverage you can do, and man, you can do up to 500 on Bitcoin. Obviously, the lower cap coins is going to be less leverage that you can do. And that's the thing here. This is the whole point of this video, is that you want to set up yourself, guys, for altcoin season, to have some, have a small portfolio for leverage trading. Don't be scared of leverage trading. I know there's a lot of people out there that put a lot of fear into leverage trading, but that's because they don't really have good risk management. And you can make a ton of money just with 5x, 3x leverage, right? It's all about risk management. And during altcoin season, even if you have a 5x trade or something like that, altcoins are going to be taking off like crazy, right? So crypto's already volatile itself. So even if you got 5x, 3x, you're going to be doing good if you know how to take profits too, right? So you go right here and you click here. This is a great tool because you can see, click on hot. These are the hottest coins to trade at the moment based on the volume and everything going on. You click on all, you can see the 24-hour chain. This is what I always like to do here, to see, okay, which coins should I scalp trade? And you can see there's a lot of low cap coins here, right? We pump, but you can see there's a lot of lower cap coins here that are most likely going to take off during altcoin season and, do some crazy X's. So just imagine you're leverage trading a coin and you catch a 5x on it. leverage trading, right? Just imagine the gains from that. So, that's why you want to prepare yourself ahead of altcoin season and the peak of this bull market. And then also after that, the beauty about trading and leverage trading is that you can make money on the way down too. So last bear market, a lot of people made tons of money shorting the market, especially altcoins that dumped over 90%. So, after we find the peak of the bull market, we're going to be shorting, and you can make a ton of money shorting as well on here. So that's the beauty about trading. And you can see there's a lot of lower cap coins. Even if you just want to buy them on spot, right? The withdrawal fees are really low. The trading fees are low as well, especially if you use my 10% deposit. You're not going to pay any fees because it's going to be taken out on that bonus. So it's, really good. Definitely take advantage of that. But you can see there's a lot of lower cap coins here, a lot of blue chips as well. And I think they even have, do they have stock market coins? I believe so, right here. Yeah, tokenized stocks and commodities. This is awesome because you can trade silver, Apple, Google, right? Tesla, right? This is amazing. I mean, this is game changing here for BTCC. Not a lot of exchanges out there have this. I don't know if you can see that now. You can see that a little better, but you can actually leverage trade. Let me see here. Let's see here Tesla. Let's see if you can leverage trade Tesla. Okay, so Tesla right there. You can leverage trade Tesla on here. KYC up to, so again, up to 20x. Right now, not all coins or stocks are made the same. So you saw Bitcoin can go to 500x. I mean, that's still a good amount, 20x right there for trading Tesla if you're into stocks as well, right? So you have coins, you even have forex too, which is great. For forex trading. So it's really good. A lot of variety. It's not just crypto. Again, it's not just crypto. You can trade a lot of coins in crypto, stocks, forex. So take advantage of this, and especially my deal, and prepare yourself for altcoin season because this is where you can make a lot of money leverage trading. And it's gonna be amazing, guys. It really is. You can see right here, I guess I showed you right there, the campaigns. Also be alert with the campaigns. If you guys are in my trading group, I keep you guys updated on the campaigns. If you're scalp trading as well, and you're scalp. So let's say you're scalp trading these coins, it's gonna be super easy to get these rewards. Super easy. And then you're basically not gonna be paying any fees. You're gonna be taken out on that, right? So shout out to BTCC. They're a great exchange. Hopefully they stay KYC free and VPN free, which I believe they will. They also have copy trading, which is cool too, because if you're a really good trader, you can start copy trading, and then people can put money into your account, right? And you get a percentage, like 10% based on the profits. So it's basically your or you can put money into someone's account, right? And then you get profit based on their decisions. So copy trading is another great thing to do. So again, guys, check out BTC. The first link should be in the pinned comment right there. Amazing exchange. I'm gonna be keeping you guys up to date on their campaigns and everything going on with them. So definitely stay tuned for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.